6 key steps in the home appraisal process. Engagement. The homeowner or lender contacts a licensed certified home appraiser to initiate the appraisal process. Inspection. The appraiser visits the property to conduct the inspection. They assess various factors such as the property's condition, size, layout, features, and any upgrades or renovations. Comparable sales analysis. The appraiser gathers data on recent sales of similar properties in the area to establish a fair market value for the house being appraised. This helps determine a realistic selling price for your home. Evaluation. The appraiser evaluates the overall condition, quality, and suitability of the property, noting things like the location, view, amenities, and any potential issues or deficiencies. Report generation. After completing the appraisal, the appraiser generates a comprehensive report that includes findings, market analysis, comparable sales data, photographs of the property, and a final property valuation. Final assessment. The appraiser provides an opinion of value based on the assessment and the specific requirements of the engagement. This value is used by lenders to determine the maximum loan amount they will provide for the property. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.